Should you use GitHub Actions and why? I get asked this a lot, and today we will see the top 5 reasons why you should. Hey, welcome back. I'm CoderDave, and here we're trying to DevOps just better. As I've mentioned in the intro, a lot of people have been asking me on Twitter, Discord, Facebook, etc. whether they should be using GitHub Actions and why choosing it over other services. So I've decided to put together 5 of the most important reasons why I think GitHub Actions is a great service and you should use it. And by the way, if you're not following me on social media, you can find all the links in the video description, including the one for our Discord community. Anyway, why using GitHub Actions? Well, first reason is automation. GitHub Actions can automate your workflow, allowing you to build, test, and deploy your code right from GitHub. This can save you a lot of time and effort. And for example, you can use GitHub Actions to automatically build and test your code every time you push a commit to GitHub. This ensures that your code is always up to date and working as expected. But it doesn't stop here. You can also use GitHub Actions to automate other tasks, such as sending notifications, running scripts, managing pull requests and issues, and much more. I have a whole video about automation stuff with Actions. You have the link up here and the video description. Second reason to use the service is customization. GitHub Actions are highly customizable. You can create your own actions or use actions from the GitHub Marketplace to build workflows that meet your specific needs. For example, you can use a pre-built action to deploy your code to a specific cloud provider, or you can create your own action to run a custom test suite. You can also use environment variables and secrets to customize your workflows even further. If you can think about it, you can do it with GitHub Actions. There is no limit with that. Oh, by the way, let me know in the comments below if you want me to cover the creation of custom actions in a future video. Another reason to use GitHub Actions, the third one, is integration. GitHub Actions integrates seamlessly with other GitHub features such as pull requests and issues and so on and so forth. This makes it easy to manage your entire workflow in one place. And for example, you can use GitHub Actions to automatically build and test your code whenever a pull request is opened. This ensures that your code is always tested before it's merged into your main branch. You can also use GitHub Actions to automatically close issues or assign them to specific team members. Furthermore, Actions integrate with the major cloud providers, including Azure, AWS, and GCP, and most of the common DevOps and workflow management tools like Jira, ServiceNow, Slack, etc. And you can use it even if your code is not in GitHub, like if you're using, for example, GitLab, Azure DevOps, Jenkins, etc. Before we move to the next reason, hit the like button below if you're enjoying this video or you find it insightful. This will not only help this video to be seen by more people so they can benefit from it, but of course, will also mean a lot to me. Thank you. Fourth reason to use GitHub Action, the community. GitHub Actions has a large and active community, and this is a double advantage. You can firstly find many pre-built actions in the GitHub Marketplace. This makes it easy to find and use actions that meet your specific needs. You can also contribute back to the community, of course, by creating your own actions and improving existing ones. But as I mentioned, there is a second advantage to the large community behind GitHub Actions, the support. You can literally find thousands and thousands of people who have either experienced already your pain points and challenges, and so you have the solutions already, or you can ask in the forums like Stack Overflow or GitHub's own portal, GitHub Community, and have the answer to your question in literally minutes. And if you need one more reason to use GitHub Actions, the fifth and last one of this video, that would be the cost, or better, the lack thereof. GitHub Actions, in fact, is free for public repositories, and you can get up to 2,000 free minutes of build time per month for private repositories. This makes it an affordable option for developers of all sizes. And if you need more build time, you can purchase additional minutes as a reasonable cost. You can also use self-host runners to run your workflows on your own infrastructure if you desire so. But let me know in the comment section below if you have other important reasons why you think someone should use GitHub Actions. And if you want to know more about the service, check out my complete 1.5-hour GitHub Actions course over here. But that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I see you in the next video here at CoderDave.